Hi guys, welcome to Skin Guru, and I hope all of you are doing very well. So the product that I wanted to review today is the Pond's hydramiracle hyaluronic superlight gel. Now this is a sample size product which I got for free. So first we will analyze the ingredients, and then we will look at the texture, and then I'm going to share my experience with the product. So since this is a sample size product, I don't have the full ingredients list on the back, but I have here on the screen. You can see the full ingredients list. Now I'm going to explain each and every one to you guys. So first we have water, then we have dimethicone. So dimethicone is also known as silicone oil. This is a water insoluble silicone. It's used as an emollient, basically a moisturizer. Over here it can also act as an occlusive. Now the formula, despite the presence of heavy silicone, the formula is actually pretty light. Next we have glycerin. Glycerin is a hydrating ingredient. It's basically pulls water into the skin. Next we have butylene glycol. Butylene glycol has two functions. It is a hydrating ingredient as well as a penetration enhancer. So it basically pushes other ingredients into the skin. Next we have ammonium acryloyl dimethyl taurate / VP copolymer. So this is a thickener. It basically is used to enhance the texture of the product or the consistency of the product. Then we have niacinamide. Niacinamide is a stable form of vitamin B3. It's an antioxidant and can also help with lightening spots. Now the percentage is not given over here. Based on the ingredients list, it should be around 2 to 3%. Next, we have an emollient or a moisturizer, which is linoleimidopropyl PG-diammonium chloride phosphate. So this is basically it can be derived from safflower oil, or it can also be synthetic. This is basically a moisturizing ingredient, or some clinically known as an emollient. Next, we have phenoxyethanol. Phenoxyethanol is a preservative. Next, we have ammonium acryloyl dimethyl taurate / behanate 25 methacrylate cross polymer. This is, again, it's a texture enhancer. It's a thickener. Then we have dimethicone over here, which is a silicone. Then we have perfume. Perfume is fragrance. Sodium PCA is a salt of polycarboxylic acid. It is basically a hydrating ingredient, or you can also say a skin conditioner. Next, we have disodium EDTA. So this is a chelating agent. It's used to remove heavy metals from a formula. Next, we have stearic acid. This is a fatty acid which moisturizes the skin. Next, we have another moisturizer, which is caprylic triglyceride. So this is again an emollient, a moisturizing agent. Tocopherol, we have tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E. It's a stable form of vitamin E, and vitamin E is an antioxidant. Triethanolamine is a buffer. It can also act as a preservative. Next, we have BHT. So BHT is short for beta hydroxytoluene. So this is a synthetic antioxidant and also a preservative. Now, if you have sensitive skin, BHT can sometimes irritate the skin along with triethanolamine. So if you have sensitive skin, be careful about these, as well as the perfume. Next, we have iodopropionyl butyl carbamate. So this is again a preservative. Next, we have sodium hyaluronic cross polymer. This is a version of hyaluronic acid. Basically, it's cross-linking hyaluronic salt of hyaluronic acid. It's hydrating ingredient, pulls water into the skin. Next, we have sodium hyaluronate. This is the standard salt form of hyaluronic acid. Next, we have sodium acetylated hyaluronate, again another form of hyaluronic acid, as well as hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. This is hyaluronic acid that has been broken down, so it has a higher penetration value compared to regular hyaluronic acid. All of these are basically 4 different forms of hyaluronic acid with varying sizes, particle sizes, so they work in different layers of the skin. All of these basically pull water and hydrate the skin, but sometimes it can, for certain skin types, hyaluronic acid and its forms can dry you out, so just be careful about that. Next we have pentylene glycol. So this is, again, it's a humectant, it's a hydrating ingredient, much like butylene glycol over here. Next we have ethyl hexyl glycerin. This is a preservative. Next we have water. Now these are all perfuming ingredients. We have citral, citronellol, geraniol, hexyl cinnamol, limonene, linalool. These are all volatile chemicals used as fragrance. And lastly, we have color. So out of all these ingredients, most of them are good. However, perfume is a known skin sensitizer. Along with BHT and trithanolamine, these can irritate the skin for some people, as well as all of these volatile fragrant chemicals. So if you have sensitive skin that is easily irritated, be careful. These will cause harm, especially the perfume. You will see the fragrance on this one is pretty strong. So now I'm going to show you the texture of the product. So guys, this is how the texture looks like. It's actually a very light watery gel with a slight, ever so slight bluish tint. It's actually pretty beautiful to look at, and the scent is actually nice. It's sad that fragrance is bad for us, but the scent is actually really refreshing, and upon application it gives a slight cooling effect, even though it doesn't have any menthol in it. The fragrance is really refreshing, and it actually is very quick absorbing. As you can see, it's very light watery gel. The scent is really pleasant, I have to say. But unfortunately, if I have to share my personal experience, it was not good. After using this for around 2 days, 2 to 3 days, my skin got really irritated and reddish. It just didn't suit me, and the reason is that fragrance, anything with fragrance, doesn't suit me. So if you have sensitive skin that gets easily irritated, this is not for you. Even though it's a really pleasant, nice gel with, you know, hardly any fragrance, with really good ingredients in it, the fragrance really ruins it. There's just way too much perfume in this. As a result, I would not recommend this product to anyone. You can use aloe vera gel instead. Aloe vera gel with glycerin would be a much better option and much cheaper, I guess, compared to this. Now I got this for free, but if you are really interested in purchasing, I think aloe vera gel would be a much better bet than this. So if you like this video, subscribe and let me know what you think. Any comments you have, any questions you have, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will see you with another review. So thank you for watching.